Autumn is my absolute favorite time of the year. It's also the most inspirational when it comes to making soap. Typically, I create a big collection every year where every bar is inspired by the season. This year, not so much. Not only do you have to plan ahead for soap so that it has time to cure before you can sell it during the correct time of the year, you actually have to have time to make it. Between a complicated pregnancy and the birth of our son, who came a month early, I didn't get any of the soaps made except this one. The theme is also one that I do a different variation of every year. Something about the color of berries and autumn go together to me. It's the combination of that wine red, the deep purple, and the shimmering gold that just inspire me every year to do a fall berry soap. I'm naming this bar Berry Crisp Day. It's scented with notes of dark cherry and strawberry, blended with tangerine, orange, mango, frosting, butter, clove, anise, cardamom, ginger, vanilla bean, brown sugar, and maple. I wanted to blend a fragrance that would be reminiscent of a berry tart with an autumn twist. I decided to go with a frosted top for these bars. And what's more delicious on a berry tart than vanilla ice cream? So to achieve that look, I added some vanilla bean powder and then added some white specks throughout the white frosting. I've added 2 different colored berries on top, and I always feel like they look so realistic. Topping it off with leaves and some gold sparkles. My newest addition will be assisting me in this voiceover. Sometimes I make a soap that's so pretty, I don't even want to cut the loaf. Those colors, the embeds, the frosting, it's too pretty. But I am going to cut it anyway, because that's the point. So this soap sits for 24 hours from the pour until the cut, and it makes beautiful bars. I love the frosting, I love the swirls, and I'm in love with the smell. Currently, this is my favorite bar of soap I've made. Then again, it's the only bar of soap that I've made. Once cut, cold processed soap needs to sit for 3 to 6 weeks to make sure all of the water in it has evaporated, and it creates a harder, more long-lasting bar. But I'm not done with this design yet. I added these little melt and pour flowers to the front for the perfect final touch. Interested in purchasing one of these bars or any of my soaps, head over to our website at lunafaecreations.com and be sure to follow for more soap making videos.